Hello, space enthusiasts. Welcome to your cosmic guide for May 2025. This month is brimming with celestial wonders, from dazzling meteor showers to historic space missions. So grab your favorite beverage, sit back, and let's embark on this astronomical journey together. First up, mark your calendars for the Aquariid meteor shower, peaking on the nights of May 5th and 6th. Originating from debris left by Halley's Comet, this shower is known for its swift and luminous meteors. Observers in the southern hemisphere can expect up to 50 meteors per hour, while those in the northern hemisphere, including India, might see 10 to 20 per hour. The best viewing time is during the pre-dawn hours, around 3 to 5 a.m. Find a dark spot away from city lights, lie back, and enjoy the show as meteors streak across the sky. On May 7th, we experience a new moon. While the moon itself won't be visible, its absence means darker skies, perfect for stargazing. This is an excellent opportunity to observe faint celestial objects like distant galaxies and nebulae. So, if you've been waiting for the right time to explore the depths of the night sky, this is it. Exciting news on the space exploration front. Axiom Mission 4 is scheduled to launch on May 29th. This private mission to the International Space Station will be carried out by SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket. Notably, it includes Shubhanshu Shukla from India, marking a significant milestone for Indian participation in commercial spaceflight. The crew will conduct various scientific experiments during their 14 to 21-day stay aboard the ISS. May's full moon, known as the flower moon, will grace the skies on May 12th. This name reflects the abundance of blooming flowers during this time of year. The moon will rise around sunset and shine brightly throughout the night. It's a perfect occasion for moonlit walks or capturing stunning photographs of the lunar landscape. Throughout May, Venus continues to shine brilliantly as the morning star. Visible in the east-southeast before dawn, Venus outshines most stars and is a captivating sight for early risers. Its radiant presence adds a touch of beauty to the morning sky, making it a delightful subject for both observation and photography. On May 8th, don't miss the rare conjunction of Jupiter and Uranus. These two planets will appear exceptionally close in the early morning sky just before sunrise. While Jupiter is easily visible to the naked eye, you'll need binoculars or a telescope to spot the fainter Uranus. This celestial event offers a unique opportunity to observe two of our solar system's giants in close proximity. As May progresses, the Milky Way becomes increasingly prominent in the night sky. Late May offers some of the best views of our galaxy's dense star fields. To fully appreciate this spectacle, find a location with minimal light pollution. Allow your eyes to adjust to the darkness and gaze upwards. The sight of the Milky Way stretching across the sky is truly awe-inspiring. May 2025 is a month filled with celestial delights and groundbreaking space endeavors. Whether you're watching meteors blaze across the sky, observing planetary alignments, or following human achievements in space exploration, there's something for everyone to enjoy. Keep looking up, stay curious, and let the wonders of the universe inspire you.